This is the old port of Montreal. There's so many activities today until tomorrow. It's the fall. So this is a long walk in this area here. Lakad-lakad. Muna tayo. Ito guys. Gandang mag-relax dito. May mga upuan. Paupo-upo ka dyan. Nakakain. Ayan. Ito ang walkway along the lake. Ito yung mga upuan din. May mga upuan din dyan. Ayan, mga walkway. Ang ganda ng mga trees. At ito yung lake. Eh? Parc Jean Drapeau? Oh, the other side is Parc Jean Drapeau. That side there. All the way there. Very nice. Lots of activities. And nice trees. Nice leaves. Ito, lakaran. Kailangan pumunta ka lang dito sa downtown. Ayan. May boat doon.